Good morning, students. I welcome you to a virtual class on climate in Geography, Standard 9. This is Ms. Khyati Dwarkadas presenting it. Today, let us discuss what is climate. Climate refers to the characteristic condition of the atmosphere near the Earth's surface at a certain place on Earth. It refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variation over a large area for a long period of time. It is the long-term weather of that area which remains for at least 20, 30, 40 years. In that case, a question comes to our mind, then what is weather and how are weather and climate different from each other? So weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The elements of both weather and climate are the same. It is the combination of temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind, clouds, and other atmospheric conditions at a specific time. So when we talk about weather, we need to keep in mind that it is the climatic condition on a particular day or at a particular time. But climate is something that you see over a long period of time, like about 30 years. Then we can say that the climate of a place is dash. This brings us to a very nice word, monsoon. And monsoon is what we are facing right now. In fact, if you see the news channels, they very clearly categorize it with a new nice heading called the monsoon mayhem or the monsoon fury. This word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mawsim, which literally means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a particular year. The world is divided into a number of climatic regions. The climate of India is described as monsoon type of climate. This type of climate is found in the south and southeast of Asia, but there are perceptible regional variations in climatic conditions within the country. Now these regional variations I had discussed with you in my previous video of this chapter, where I showed you the temperature and precipitation variations in the whole country with the help of a map and a few more explanations. Two important elements, namely temperature and precipitation, often vary from place to place and season to season. This is that particular image I am talking to you about. However, feel free to refer to the previous video. Difference in temperature. In summer, temperature in parts of Rajasthan are 50 degrees, whereas it's just about 20 degrees in Pahalgam. On a winter night, Dras in Jammu may have less than minus 45 degrees, but in Thiruvananthapuram it may be 22 degrees. Similarly, in some places, temperature differences between day and night are great. Like in the Thar desert, it may rise to 50 degrees in the day and drop to 15 degrees in the night. But in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands or in Kerala, there is not much difference in the day and night temperatures. Now you are going to jot down reasons of why you think it is so. And whenever you jot down, you will always jot down using a pencil in your notebook. Unless I say copy in the notebook or write in the notebook, then it will be with a pen. When I say jot down, think and jot down, use a pencil to do that. Coming to precipitation, it varies in its forms, types and amount and seasonal distribution. It is in the form of snowfall in the upper parts of the Himalayas. It rains over the rest of the country. The annual precipitation varies from 400 centimeters in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and West Rajasthan. Most parts of the country receive rainfall from June to September, except the Tamil Nadu coast that gets rain during October-November. Rainfall generally decreases from east to west in the northern plains. These variations have given rise to a variety in lives of people, food, clothes, houses. That's how, if you remember the Odisha video, the kind of culture that you see there, and you see your own life in Mumbai, the kind of culture we have here. It's basically the rainfall, the climate. You go up to Rajasthan or Gujarat, you see the lifestyle of the people there. Visit Jammu Kashmir and see the life of the people there. Those variations are also due to climate. Now, a school in Jammu Kashmir may make it mandatory to wear a blazer, a warm blazer, to school. But in Mumbai, if we ask you to wear a blazer in this kind of a climatic condition, you will all start suffocating. But in Jammu Kashmir, it's so cold that if you don't wear a warm blazer, it will lead to other mishaps. Now, vegetation can affect both temperature and precipitation patterns in an area. And you can see this map. This is the kind of precipitation in millimeters. And India, as you can see, is on the higher side. These are the factors that affect climate. This you may note down in the notebook as a concept map, and in another video we shall discuss each of these factors in detail. So until I meet you again, thank you, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe and be good children. Goodbye.